know the bandwagon effect is a psychological phenomenon where people do something primarily because others are doing it. The idea is that the more people who adopt a particular behavior, belief, or trend, the more likely others are to jump on the bandwagon and follow suit. Why does the bandwagon effect work? Desire for social belonging. People naturally want to fit in and be part of a group. When they see others doing something, they feel a subconscious pull to do the same to feel included. Perception of popularity equals rightness. There is a common belief that if many people are doing something, it must be the correct or best choice. This is often based on the assumption that the majority knows something we don't. Fear of missing out. People worry that by not following the crowd, they might miss out on something important or beneficial. This fear drives them to conform to group behaviors. Reduced decision-making effort. Following the crowd can simplify decision-making. Instead of evaluating all the options, people rely on others' choices as a shortcut to making their own decisions. Examples of the bandwagon effect. Fashion trends. If a particular style of clothing becomes popular, more people start wearing it, not necessarily because they like it, but because they see others doing it. For example, when a celebrity starts wearing a specific brand of sneakers, fans and followers may start buying the same sneakers to feel trendy or connected to the celebrity. Social media challenges. When a new challenge or trend goes viral on social media, like the Ice Bucket Challenge, people often participate because they see their friends and others doing it. They want to be part of the buzz and not feel left out. Voting in elections. If people perceive that a certain political candidate is gaining widespread support, they might vote for that candidate because they believe everyone else is voting for them. They assume that the popular choice must be the best or the safest bet. Technology adoption. When a new gadget, like the latest smartphone model, becomes popular, many people rush to buy it because they see others doing the same. The popularity of the gadget creates a perception that it must be the best or most desirable option. Product reviews and ratings. If a product has many positive reviews and a high rating, people are more likely to buy it because they believe the positive feedback reflects the quality of the product. They assume that if so many others like it, it must be good. The bandwagon effect shows how social influence can shape our choices and behaviors. Understanding this can help us recognize when we're being influenced by others and encourage us to make more thoughtful decisions based on our own preferences and needs.